Hello YouTube, welcome to B12 Motor Vlog. So, wait, what? The one car has passed the signal and they have turned it red. It's ridiculous, man. Anyways, so I'm returning from my friend's house from the Janmashtami Puja, and as you can see, the roads are pretty wet because there's a heavy rain going on just a minute ago, and we were stuck at her house just because of this rain, and we started our journey as soon as the rain stopped. So as you can see, the time is approximately 11 o'clock, and this is what it looks like in Kolkata at 11 o'clock. Now I'm at Gaudiahat Mall and returning to my house. Okay, let's see what's going on in the night of Kolkata's road. So, red signal. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, there's a bike of a Kolkata police, but where's the police? They have been posted for this job, and they have been allocated for the night duty for safety, and as you can see, there's no police. All it's left is his bike. Oh, more signal. Okay, we're good to go now. चलो भाई. So what is this road blocker doing in the middle of the road? Another signal. Bro, is it really necessary to give this much of a signal at the road of nights? Because there's already minimalized traffic, but still there are long signals. It's irritating, man. Could you please adjust my backpack? Thank you. Okay, we're good to go. So let's see what's the reason of the long signal. Okay. Oh, so there's the reason. There's a truck filled with bamboos. Oh man. The left side of the truck is on the footpath. And this is the Thakuria bridge. Okay. So they are decorating the bridge for the puja. Yeah, puja coming soon. इतना खुश होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैंने तो अभी शॉपिंग शुरू भी नहीं किया. ओके, गुड टू गो. अरे भाई साहब, बीच रोड में टैक्सी लेके क्या कर रहे हो? So there's a Jigsaw SF. देख भाई, इतना सा सिग्नल चला गया और एक भी पुलिस वाला नहीं है. ट्रैफिक पुलिस के नाक में तेल लेके सोने के लिए अपन किया गया है. देख जरा तू. तो अगर फाइन और जो चालान कटना हो ना, तो ये लोग तो बहुत पहले आ जाते हैं। देख तू, एक पुलिस वाला भी नहीं है। ये है जादवपुर का मोड़, जादवपुर पुलिस स्टेशन का मोड़ है, और एक पुलिस वाला भी नहीं है। रिडिकुलस मैन। And this is the Jadavpur University Road, and as you can see, this road is dark as hell. There's not even a single street light. So this is Jadavpur 8B, and as you can see, and as you guys guessed, yes, there's no traffic police at the Jadavpur 8B2. Time to open the throttle a little bit. It's already too late. Sounds like a train just passed away, but there's no train line nearby. And there comes the squids. Look, the activist tripling with three idiots without any helmet or safety gears. And look the way they drive. अबे बच्चों, चूतिया है क्या? All the accidents are caused because of these shitty assholes. And there goes a squid without. They didn't even stop at the signal. यार ऐसे इंसान का अगर डिवाइडर से कोई एक्सीडेंट होता तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होऊंगा। ऐसे स्क्विड्स की वजह से रास्ते में बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं। So time to throttle it up. Another signal. Bro, look, there's a zombie dog. Bro, isn't the signal set too big for the night? Or I should say too long for the night? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. So from here I'm gonna take left and take the bypass. That road will be much more hassle free, I guess, at least at the night time. Okay, time to rev it up. Yoo-hoo! There's a pack of dogs. Got some straight roads. What the hell is it doing in the middle of the road, man? It just stopped in the middle of the road with the right indicator. Okay, so I'm at the signal and shit, man, it started raining again. Come on. And my bad, I didn't bring the raincoat today with me. I forgot about the raincoat. My bad. Come on. And look the way they stopped. They just stopped on the zebra crossing. They just literally stopped at the zebra crossing. Okay. Time to open a throttle a little bit. Yahoo! Oh yeah. Night rides are fun, man. And there goes another signal. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, so here I am the connector of Rajpur Godia bypass. From the Assam Oil petrol pump, I have to turn left. Okay, so let's go. And the time is 11:15. Okay, so this is the Kolkata of night. So the petrol pump should be here somewhere. Okay, there's the petrol pump at the left. But wait, what?
কি পেট্রোল পাম্প রাত হলে বন্ধ হয়ে যায় নাকি? পেট্রোল পাম্প রাত হলে বন্ধ করে দিয়েছে? এই যে আমি যেন রাস্তাটা হুট করে পেরিয়ে যাচ্ছিল।
So as you can see, this is the coverage of night eye LED headlamp, and I'm currently at low beam. So this is the visibility level of night eye LED headlamp, and as the roads are wet, oh, there's the puddle. The roads are flooded, man.
লাইটটা কভারেজটা কিন্তু লো বিমে যে রাস্তাটা পড়ছে হাইওয়ে কিন্তু অনেক দূর যাচ্ছে।
Yes, this is the coverage of night eye LED headlamp.
লাইটটা 700 টাকা উসুল হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ
Oh, shitty roads, man. I should have continued going on the bypass. Shit, man. Oh. Oops. Oh man, what is this? Another puddle. And there's a crane. Must be some construction going on. So I've entered another road. Uh, This is a shortcut to the future campus. So let's see what's the condition of this road. Oh man, more puddles. Oops. So this is the high beam of the night LED headlamp, and this is the coverage, as you can see. I don't know how much the camera can see, but it's too good, man. The coverage is beyond my imagination. Bro, isn't it, bro? The coverage is too good, man. I don't know how much the camera can see. See, this is the high beam again.
একটা বাজলো। তারপর বেশি রাত হয়ে গেলে ওই সোনাপুর রোডটা যদি বন্ধ হয়ে যায় সাইকেলে পেতিস না। ঘুমটা আসবেই 4:30-5টার দিকে।
Okay, so looks like there's a little bit of rain at this area because the roads are not really too wet, as you can see. So at last I'm taking the main road again. There's the main road and I have to turn left from here.
যেমন আজকে যে ব্লগস গুলো করলে ছোড়া আমি আজকে এডিট করতে পারবো। তাহলে এডিট করতে হলে আমি মোটামুটি 10টা থেকে বসি। আজকে 11:30 বেজে গেছে। আমার এডিট করে আপলোড করতে টোটাল 3 ঘন্টা টাইম লাগবে। 12টা 3টে আমি ঘুমাবো কখন আর অফিস যাবো কখন? শোয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ঘুম আসে না।
And the condition of the main road is terrible, man. It's full of potholes, puddles, and the most dangerous thing, the slush. Uh, there's a little bit of traction in between the road and the tire.
ওই রকম যদি দেখি তো ও হয়তো গল্প করছে সবার আগে আমি গিয়ে শুয়ে পড়বো সারা। না ওটা করিস না এই কারণেই বলছি, তার কারণ অনেকে যাচ্ছে তো। আমি আর তুই যাবো, মিটে গেল।
Okay, so at this point the battery of my action camera died and I have to end the vlog here. So if you like the video, please like and share the video and don't forget to comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel, and that will help me a lot. This is B2R signing off from the camera. Thank you very much.